Hello viewers, welcome back to App World. Xiaomi has released two of its smartphone models this month on February 14th, that is a Valentine's Day, namely the Redmi Note 5 and the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I think you're aware about that. Now today I'll be talking about the Redmi Note 5 Pro. To begin with, I'll start off with the display. The display is a 5.99 inch featuring an aspect ratio of 18:9, okay, with really less bezels. I mean, it really has reduced borders on the top and the bottom. Now moving on to the processor. The processor is the latest. I mean, it's a Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon processor. That's a 636 processor. Now this processor features, I mean, it's almost equal to that of the 800 series chipsets. To talk about the RAMs, you have two options about the RAMs, 4GB and the 6GB, with the same storage capacities. Okay, the storage capacity does not change in both; it's the same. The 4GB receives an internal storage capacity of 64, and the 6GB receives the same internal storage capacity. But if you worry about such low storage capacity, you need not worry about that, because you also have the option of a micro SD card. Okay, you have a slot for that, which is expandable up to 256GB. So storage capacity is out of the issue. Okay, you have the internal storage. You can also utilize your external storage. Next, I'll talk about the camera. The camera is a dual camera with the rear camera. First, I'll tell you about the rear camera. The camera is a dual camera with 12 megapixel as a primary and 5 megapixel as a secondary. So you have, I mean, since it's a dual camera, you have the option to take portrait photos as well. I mean, photos in portrait mode as well. Okay. That's about the rear camera. Now if you talk about the front camera, you're actually getting 20 megapixel of front camera with a flashlight. I mean, even in low light condition, you will get the best photos if you're taking a selfie. I mean, 20 megapixel is a lot, and with a flash with it, it's too good. You will get the best photos even in low light modes. The most important thing, I'll tell you about the camera as well. The most important thing is the Face ID. As I said, it has a few features that of the iPhone 10. So it has a Face ID recognition. The Redmi Note Pro, okay, Note 5 Pro has a Face ID recognition. So you can use that to unlock your device. Redmi Note 5 Pro is available in four color variants. The rose gold is there, the champagne gold is there, the black is there, and the blue is there. Okay, so here you have four color variants. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much.